In Etheria these days, we sweat it out on the street of a runaway ink-blot continent. Hord Troopers chasing rebels between bases in suicide machine chases. Sprung from cages out of Planet 9, chrome-wheeled, fuel injected, and stepping out over the line. Oh, brother boss, the Fright Zone rips out organic bones from your baby back wrap. It's a death trap. You He-Man, She-Ra, her Glimmer, Glamour gals taking her power back. Restored habitats become the winner, 'cause tramps like us, baby, we were born to run. Burning an Etherian Sun, popping like popcorn. Yes, girls, we are not just victims, we are women survivors. Frosta, let me in, I wanna be a friend, I wanna guard your frozen dreams. Catra, can you wrap your sexy mind around our herbal schemes? Strap your hands across my beams, together we could break the sins. We'll run till we drop, fighting Hord Prime should know by now. We will never, ever, ever go back. Oh, walk with me out on the wire, fly with me in a flame chariot flyer. 'Cause baby, I'm just a scared and lonely rider. Now you know how I feel, because I know that love is wild, babe, love is real. Oh, can you see, if you wanna be free, I want you to show me. Glimmer, He-Man, She-Ra, Hordak breaking his buzzsaw. Beyond the Crystal Palace, controlling hemi-powered drones, scream down the boulevard, girls' hair combed with bone phones. Silly boys try to look so hard, ancestral legacy told to the bold. Kids huddled on the beach in a mist, we have all been put on a kill list. I wanna die with you too tonight, in the valley of everlasting light. Magic so bright, we just might.
She-Ra, She-Ra, She-Ra.
She-Ra, She-Ra rides. Space ways jammed with broken heroes and rusty cans on a last chance power drive. Everybody's out on the run, but there's no place left to hide. Cast a spell, a sin